You are saying there's a list that is available. We would appreciate getting that list, but I wouldn't want us to just deal with that list only. What we've decided to do, since this matter has been topical for the past 2 weeks, we've put in a system in place to say our district managers, together with the district pharmacy managers, must visit hospitals and clinics in their areas. So that in your own district, you go and visit each and every hospital. You go, and when you get to the hospital, you go through their breakdown of medication. How much do they have? Do they have enough quantities? They have enough quantities to last them what duration, and we'll do the same thing in clinics as well. So the intention there is that while we understand that there is no shortage, and the media is insisting that there's a shortage, then we need to be able to come between. We've already started receiving reports from different districts, but it is a district like eThekwini, because it has a lot of hospitals. It's not possible to get that report within a short space of time. But in other smaller districts, we've started receiving reports from different hospitals, different clinics, to be able to tally. I must say that in other facilities, you find that the issue is an issue just of management, where a manager can see that they're going to run out pretty soon of medication, but they don't order on time. They wait until their stock is at a particular level, and only then do they order. And once they order, when the stock is at a slightly lower level, it takes time for their medication to actually reach them. So we are dealing with all those administrative issues, and we would appreciate that list, but I want to assure you that we are actually doing that exercise in all our facilities now, not just the list, because I didn't see a list that was given, but we decided late last week that we then needed to do this exercise in all the facilities. That's why you find us here today.